Hey, I'm Steve. This is SD's Auto, and today I'm putting headlights in a 1999 Toyota Corolla that I picked up at an auction. Come check it out. So this is the car that I picked up. I got it on an online auction, bought it sight unseen, other than a few pictures online and information that it ran and drove, which it did. I drove it about 20 miles to get it home. It does need a couple things, and one of them being headlights. So I ordered some off of Amazon, and today we're going to put them in. So come check it out. First thing I'm going to do is pull this battery. Okay, so you need to pull the bumper off here. There's one bolt here, and there's one inside underneath the fender. Putting this bumper on just behind this area. Both of those are 10 millimeter. You need to remove these two on this side and the two on the other side, as well as there's a little bar that goes between this area and the inner part of the car. Same 10 millimeter behind the inner fender that you're going to need to pull as well. So we're going to go ahead and do that here. Okay, once you have the side parts removed, bolt here and a bolt here, 10 millimeter as well. Once these two are out, there are a couple tabs in this area. One on this side, one on this side. Or this style of tab. Put your screwdriver in here, pop that out, and you can pull the tab out. These are both broken. That should be the last thing to get this bumper off. You can see here, these are the little tabs I was talking about. So now that that's out of the way, we can access the bolts that we need to get to on this headlight. So there's several to remove here. This one here, here, and there's some behind this that we need to get out of the way first as well. Okay, so let me show you the two other spots that are behind and why you have to pull the bumper. So, right there, and then with a light, there we go, now you can see down in there. And there's the headlight assembly. Okay, we're going to go ahead and pull this side off. Same procedure. So I just ordered some cheap headlights off of Amazon. Look pretty decent. They weren't very expensive. Complete set, I think, was around $70. I'll put a link in the description for both headlights and side markers. So we're going to go ahead and put those in and see how it looks. Okay, so headlights are installed, pretty painless. I'm going to do a little bit of work to this bumper down here. turn it over, you can see that it's broken here. I'm going to try to plastic weld it with a plastic welder. Never done it before, so we'll see how it goes. All right, so plastic welded. First time ever for that. And if you wanted to spend the time to sand it and paint it, I guess you could. But it does look like that it's holding. So I'm going to put it back on and then we'll wrap this project up. All right, so here's how it turned out. Good. And the welding looks okay. Everything's still together after putting the bumper back on. Headlights are clear. I don't know how long they'll last that way, but they should be good enough for the amount of time this car should be used. All right, well, thanks for watching another SB's Auto episode. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. There'll be a link in the description below to the headlights that I used. And leave any comments. Until next time.